Welcome back for the final lecture on match case syntax. A frequent source of confusion is how the statement differentiates between a new variable that captures a value and a predefined constant that holds a specific value. We will clarify this distinction using Python's naming conventions and show you how to properly use constants in your patterns. 1. The ambiguity of variables in patterns. By default, any single lowercase name used as a case pattern is treated as a capture variable. This means it matches any input value and binds that value to the variable name. This behavior prevents subsequent cases from being reached, which is the source of the common name capture makes remaining patterns unreachable error. 2. The mandatory .access rule. To correctly match against a constant value, you must force Python to recognize it as a constant, not a capture variable. The safest and most common way is to define constants within a class or module and use the dot syntax to access them, like status.ok. This dot access signals to the match case engine that this is a constant value to be matched against, resolving the ambiguity and the syntax error. 3. Avoiding variable capture. As a final recap, always use the _wildcard case _ for your final, catch-all pattern, or whenever you want to match a value without capturing it into a named variable. Using any other lowercase name will create a capture variable, which is usually not what you intend for a catch-all case. To summarize, understanding this constant matching rule is essential for writing robust and bug-free match case statements. We now conclude our module on match case. Our next lecture is a brand new module, 33.01, using virtual environment. See you there.